In this video, we are going to see that if your YouTube is not showing comments, here is a quick fix for you. And the easiest one is just make sure that your app is updated. We head over to the Play Store and we just write here YouTube. And if it is already installed, don't worry, you click on that, you click uninstall, click on uninstall, and it will always show you this update option. You will see it in a moment. As you can see that we have an update option here. So if any kind of bugs are here, it will easily clear that up. And once it is updated, it will automatically install it. So this will fix all the bugs here. Click open, and that's how you can fix it. But if you're still facing a problem, what other thing you can do within the YouTube application? And from here, we click on the profile icon and click on the settings. We click on the journal, and here it says restricted mode. Make sure that this should be disabled, and that will allow you to see the comments or start seeing comments on the videos. And also obviously just make sure that you are always logged into the Google account on a YouTube application. So that's about it. These are a couple of solutions that might work for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.